again, guys. Today's walk is gonna be the Lake Zagorka in Stara Zagora. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's a lovely lake, so we're gonna do a walk around so you can take a look at the walk around the lake. Hopefully it's gonna be something we're gonna enjoy as well. Stan is with me again today.
Hello.
And yeah, let's begin.
I don't know if you managed to catch that, but these little houses, it's actually where ducks live. They sleep there at night, and we can see some eggs there. I don't know if they're visible.
Yeah, I don't think I'm able to see them, but I don't think the camera's actually gonna catch that.
Yeah, we're gonna be having little ducklings in a few weeks.
Lovely, lovely stuff. So let's see how this walk goes. It's actually very pretty and relaxing. You know, in summer, do you have a lot of mosquitoes here? I'm presuming you do.
Not as many as you might think. They're taking care of that.
What, they spray or?
Yeah, they're spraying. So it's not as many as you might think. Of course, you cannot take care of all of them, but
just have a look quickly here. Yeah.
Okay. Can't complain from too much mosquitoes.
So we have another little house here. Is that for ducks also? I think it is.
I think so, but I don't think ducks use it much.
It's not in the water.
Yeah, they like to keep away from people.
Yeah. I think there was a Bulgarian movie, Mission London, where the Bulgarians actually went to England and they actually ate the ducks in St. James's Park.
The swans.
The swans, yeah, they ate the swans. Yeah, terrible movie. Yeah, I don't think we have much of daylight left. The sun's already setting behind us a little bit.
Yeah, good thing we didn't stay at this place too much.
Yeah, guys, there's a restaurant right on the lake. We entered, nobody actually looked at us for like 10-15 minutes and we left. So I definitely wouldn't advise you to go in that place.
Seems to be some...
Yeah, I think they're just lazy.
It is what it is.
We have a little boat here, just as an attraction. Or it's just basically an advert for a hotel. I'm guessing there's a hotel nearby.
Well, it's the same with the restaurant we were at. The hotel and the restaurant are one and the same.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so whatever that name is, definitely don't go there. No, I'm joking. You can go there, but yeah, I didn't have a good experience, so I wouldn't advise you to go there. And we have a little dog running. And a lot of people just having a walk around the lake.
By the way, you'd be surprised. There's quite a lot of fish in this lake. People have a great time fishing here because fish is not only plenty, it's big too.
And can you fish all season long, or?
I'm not too sure. I'm not a fisherman myself, but here we have one of the ducks.
Pretty duck.
There's dozens of them. I don't know where they are right now.
Probably hiding, sleeping.
And a lake cat, if you see there.
Wow, there's an actual cat in the tree, in the water. Probably trying to fish.
People love little dogs around here.
So there we go. Let's see if we can... Oh, there we go. Some ducks here. Lovely stuff. A lot of flies, which I'm not enjoying. You can hear some ducks in the distance, yeah. So guys, this video is not going to be very long. I think the walk around the lake is going to be like 20-25 minutes, maybe 30.
I don't think it'd be that long.
Yeah, we're going to find out pretty soon enough. I think Stan is tired, not saying much.
Yeah, it's been a long day and a long night as well.
Yeah. Oh, look, a lot of people fishing.
Yeah, those are the more.
It would be quite lucky if we actually get a shot of somebody pulling out a fish. I think.
This guy has something on it.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah, look at how it's bending.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna see somebody catching something. No, nothing there. No luck for us.
But after all, I'm not a fisherman, so don't trust my word.
Yeah. I think it takes a long time to catch fish, so.
Oh, this guy definitely has something on. Look.
Does he?
Yeah.
Let's see what he caught. Yeah, he's definitely got something. You think he caught something? For real? Or?
Yeah.
Looks like it, yeah, definitely.
Getting a lot. Looks like we have something on.
Come on, let's hope it's something big.
I've seen quite a big fish here. 2 or 3 kilos.
Wow, okay.
Definitely. But I can't tell you what species, because that I cannot tell one fish from another.
Yeah, me too. If it's in the shop in the freezer and it has like the name on it, then yeah. Then I can tell what fish it is.
Not something I'm proud of, but even in stores I've made mistakes when you have labels.
Let's see, I think he's gonna pull it out.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, breaking the walk a little bit, but yeah, it's interesting to see.
This looks like the fish is fighting.
Yeah, he's fighting him.
It used to be bent to the right, now it's to the left. Yep.
Oh, there we go. Definitely got something. Let's have a look. Quite nice size fish.
Looks like dinner.
So yeah, we had some luck. We actually came over and the guy actually caught something. You think he's gonna eat it? Probably.
That depends. I think they have to pay for each fish. First you pay for fishing license, then you pay for each fish you
catch.
And people not always do it to eat the fish. They quite often release it.
Yeah, just for the hobby.
Yeah, it's for the sport.
So many people everywhere.
One thing I've noticed is that we see a lot of dogs, but no big dogs.
Yeah.
Only little and medium size.
That was a French bulldog, I think, the last one that just went by.
Yeah, either French or English. Can't tell between the two.
No, French. The English are way fatter, they're much bigger. Of course, I don't want to fat shame the dog, so yeah. Chubby. The English bulldog is just chubby. Lovely stuff.
I think around there is also some boats you can ride.
Yeah?
But I'm not seeing those. I think they didn't expect the weather to be that
I presume it will be in summer, more likely.
Yeah, definitely. So if there were, could have rode on those, but I don't think that'd be such a fun experience for the viewers, cause
yeah, just watching us play around in the boat.
Yeah.
Now we can do some like competitions, get other people, have some races.
They do competition and races here. I know for a fact I've seen people do motor boats, like the small ones, where you control them from a distance. And racing with those has been done here.
Nice.
Some competitive fishing as well.
Okay.
But I don't think this is the season for competitive fishing right now, because the fish need time to grow. They have other bodies of water around where they grow the fish and then they release it here, because if it's too small, other fish is gonna eat it right away.
Yeah, makes sense.
Fish are notorious cannibals.
Makes sense. Yeah, so it doesn't seem there's a lot here, just the lake. But still.
This is lovely. You can feel the peace and quiet here around here.
Definitely,
I don't know
yeah.
if you noticed, but when we were in the park, in the mountain, it was a little bit louder, like people were more excited. While here,
Yeah,
just
it's
more
tranquil and peace.
and looks like we're not the only ones filming. Look at that cat. You have to show the cat.
I think he's taking a bath. Probably has lice. Most likely. Yeah, so they use the sand as a cleaning tool.
Yeah.
Amazing, but the view's amazing. You have the mountains, the lake. Everybody's walking slow. Nobody's rushing anywhere. I think the pace of the city in general is just a lot slower. Like if you compare it to other cities, like people walk really quick, everybody's in a rush to go somewhere. Here, as you said yourself, even the drivers are driving slowly.
Yeah, it's 20 kilometers per hour. You go above that, whoa, you're in a rush.
Mad. No, I think it's a good pace. Maybe for like a family atmosphere.
They can afford it. Why not?
Yeah, of course. Well, seems like everybody's rich here. Nobody's rushing anywhere, so I'm guessing they're rich.
Doubt it, but
So this is the fish place. I think it's like a fish shop. Yeah.
It might be a restaurant. I don't know.
No, it's a shop. I think you can buy bait and different kind of fishing stuff.
Maybe. Make some room. Come to me.
Oh.
There's a bike behind you.
I apologize. Well, yeah, guys, hopefully you like this walk. It's very peaceful. The view's amazing.
And we're just getting the sunset as well.
Yeah. Well, I think the sun's gonna be setting in about an hour, so we still have time for that.
Even kids are fishing.
Yeah. So we have a little map over here of the park and the lake, and it's giving you information on different animals that actually live here. I think, by the way, this is going to be one of my favorite cities so far out of Bulgaria. Of course, obviously, I still enjoy the hustle and bustle of the capital. But definitely when I'm older, maybe in my 50s, I would move here and relax. But who knows? If you keep watching, guys, I'm going to take you on a journey through all cities in Bulgaria. So you're going to take a look at it and we can make a decision at which one's best. I think we might do a competition and everybody has to vote what city you like the most out of the videos that you see. Let me know what you think in the comments.
It'd be interesting to see each person's peace of mind.
Yeah, definitely. If you look at my channel, you can find playlists for different cities. I have Sofia, of course, then Plovdiv. This is gonna be Stara Zagora, and then of course we're gonna be bringing you more and more cities. And then I think afterwards, everybody, if you leave comments on what you think is the best city in the country, I think that would be a good thing.
By the way, the park to our left, I think it's the next thing in development that's gonna go in development, and they're gonna build a, they're gonna renovate it and make it as nice as the other parks that we saw today.
Great. So there's a lot of investment going on in Stara Zagora. A lot.
Yeah,
I can see that.
A lot is being done. Like, you see this place here to our left? A couple of years ago, that wasn't there. Also,
Yeah.
another street fitness.
Yeah, I've seen, I think so far we've gone through maybe 7 or 8 street fitnesses.
Yeah, and
Something like that.
And we've only seen half of those, I know.
Yeah, I'm sure there's more, especially in the neighborhoods.
Yeah, and even in some schools.
Great stuff. Somebody working out here on the left. Took his shirt off. Strong guy.
We worked hard enough to earn it.
Yeah. So guys, this is pretty much the end of the walk around of the Zagorka lake. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and join me in my next adventure and on my next walking video. Thanks guys. Bye bye.